This is the brand new 2023 Toyota Sequoia. There it is, everybody. This is the TRD Pro Hybrid, which means please give me everything. Notice that brings the MSRP to $76,000 and delivered price just over $80,000. This does also mean that it has all of the TRD Pro goodies, including the fact that it has the biggest engine now possible, the iForce Max twin turbo V6 with the hybrid system. That's 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, which by any metric is a lot. It's a nasty day, so I'm going to put it in 4 high. Unfortunately, we have no winter tires on this. It's all seasons. I'm also going to put it in sport mode. Sounds good. Has a lot of power. Good transmission response, no paddles, of course. The mirrors are massive. You notice they have a standard mirror and a convex mirror in order to give you lots of visibility, because frankly without them the visibility is pretty bad. This has the TRD extra roof rack on it. That's part of what you're paying for it, all of the money in. Unfortunately, that roof rack constantly creates really cavernous wind noise that you can hear at pretty much any speed, and the farther back you sit in the truck, the more you hear it. Now, every roof rack on the planet causes wind noise, of course, but it's pretty profound in this car. With the TRD Pro suspension package, the ride is pretty stiff and aggressive. Now, that's fairly common with the TRD Pro suspension. It gives you obviously more off-road capability, but this is a very firm ride. It doesn't feel like a cushy road performer for road trips in this trim. Now, that's possible in other trims. Again, that's a TRD suspension offset. Now you can't see really what's in front of the massive nose. That's pretty common on a lot of things. I've got lots of cameras to play with right now if I want. This is a very difficult truck to see around, but that's true in the current Suburban or Tahoe or Escalade or Navigator. You pick your large body-on-frame SUV, that's pretty much what they're all like. They're very difficult to see around, which is why they all have all these cameras now. Standard sunroof, not a big panoramic roof. I don't know if you can hear the wind noise, but there's a lot of it from that roof rack. This is an enormous truck with a surprisingly good amount of space. There is good space in the front row and the second row and the third row. There is no space behind the third row, and the third row does not fold flat, which is a big question mark in something this massive. And when you fold it down, it doesn't fold flat. Pretty sure-footed with four-wheel high on, even though I would rather have winter tires right now. don't you really wish you were fishing on the lake right now?